If you have never tried spicy Nigerian barbecue catfish like this, then you are mixing out on something special. And the best part is you don't need an oven or air fryer to achieve this. All you need is your pot, some salt, and your gas stand. That is it. No fancy equipment, and in less than 30 minutes, this fish came out perfectly grilled. So let's begin. Here is my properly washed and cleaned fish. Make incisions on both sides so that the spice can penetrate deeply into the fish. Next, I prepared my spice mix, which contains fish seasonings, curry powder, chicken seasonings, and salt. I mixed everything with vegetable oil to form a sauce. Now rub the sauce thoroughly all over the fish. Make sure you seasoned it very well on both sides. And don't forget to rub underneath too. The way you seasoned your fish will determine how delicious it turns out. After that, wrap the fish tightly in a foil. Make sure it is well sealed. Now let's prepare our local oven. In a dry pot, add a generous amount of salt. You can also use sand. Place a gas stand inside the pot. Then set the wrapped fish on a tray or pot cover. Cover the pot and allow it to start baking. While the fish is baking, let's prepare our cabbage. I washed thoroughly and used a food processor to shred it. Once done, set it aside. Next, let's prepare the sauce. In my food processor, I added tatachi, shombo, and fresh pepper, just a little, so it's not too spicy. I also added spring onions for extra flavor. Blend everything together. Now, to make the sauce, heat some oil in a pan and add chopped onions, followed by the blended pepper mix. Fry on a low heat. Then season lightly with chicken and fish flavor. Remember, the fish has already been seasoned, so be careful not to over season the sauce, okay? And in less than 2 minutes, the sauce is ready. After about 20 minutes, I brought out the fish and it was already half cooked. I opened the foil and added the pepper sauce. Make sure to massage it all over the fish. If this is your first time here, I want to specially thank you for clicking to watch my videos, and also a warm welcome to you. You are welcome to this beautiful family, okay? And please don't make it your last. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, okay? To my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Once that is done, I wrapped it again and returned it to the pot to continue baking. And after about 15 minutes, the fish is fully cooked and ready to serve. So tell me, are you going to try this method? You can easily prepare this for your family, even with or without an oven in the house, so no excuse. And trust me, your family will absolutely love it. Plus, it helps you save money. A fish like this can cost up to 20,000 naira when bought outside, but making it at home is much affordable. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I will see you in my next video. Bye.